Hello. First of all, today we are going to be how to learn how to find middle of the linked list. So first of all, we have the single linked list, and we want to find the middle of the node. Means suppose we have the this is the linked list one, two, three. Sorry, my bad. Three, uh, then four, then five, and last pointer which is pointing to the null value. Okay, so null. Okay, that's it. So this is we have the single linked list, and we need to find out the middle of the element. So there are two approach, which is one is the brute force and second one is the optimal. So let me talk first of all what is the brute force approach. So brute force approach is the so first traverse the linked list to the count of the total nodes of the n, then traverse the again up to n by 2 position, then get the middle of the node. Okay, so one there are two phase, which is the one. Phase one is find the length, and second phase is phase two is move length, move length divided by two steps from head. So this is the our base. Okay, so this is a this is our brute force approach, but in time complexity is phase one is a O of n, phase one is a O of n, and phase two is a O of n by 2. O of n, and in phase one, and in phase two like that is O of n by 2. Why O of n by 2? Because we are dividing this by, because more lengths to be two steps, and we are length divided by 2 from the head, so we are dividing the 2 point. That's why our mm, in second phase our time complexity is n by 2. That's it. So that is the our brute force approach, but we cannot going through this approach. We can go with the optimal approach. So what is the optimal approach? So optimal approach is a which is the two pointer approach, which is the slow and fast pointer. So slow pointer can be takes slow moves one step at a time, and fast moves two steps at a time. Means suppose this is our the linked list. Let me change the color. Yeah, slow means one steps, and fast moves two steps. Slow moves one steps, fast moves the two steps. Okay, when the first reach the end, then slow will be at the middle of the element. That's it. That is the our optimal approach, because fast is moving the twice as a fast by the time of the finish the list, and slow has been covered the exactly up. That's why this approach, which is the optimal approach, the optimal approach, that is the uh, main point of the linked list. Find how to find the middle of the linked list. So time complexity is the O of n. Why O of n? Because we no need to traverse again and again. Once we traverse, that's it. We got the middle of the linked list. So this happen in only single phase. But in brute force approach, we need to it happens in two phase. That's why time complexity is more of the optimal approach. Okay, that's why we can go through the slow and fast pointer. Got the point? Okay. So first of all, let me write the code of this linked list. So how to write a code? First of all, open the editor and create a one node class node, Okay, in this class load, I will declare data, int data, and node and pointing to the next element. Okay, that's it. And then I will be create a one constructor which is parameter constructor, and I can be pass there the some int data, and this dot data which is equals to data, and this dot next which is pointing to the null. This is the our node class. Then after that I will be create one class which is main class, public class, public class, middle of the linked list. Okay, that's it. In this class I'll be create one method, find public static find middle node, find middle, and there will be I will be there will pass the some parameters which is node equals to head. Okay, then I can if my node, if my head which is equals to null, then I will be return the null value, return null. Then I will declare the two pointer which is node slow is also here, and node fast which is also here. Assume that. Okay. Then while fast fast pointer which is not equals to null, and fast dot next which is also not equals to null, that time, and fast dot next which is also not equals to null. Sorry, this is not a percentage symbol, this is the and. Fast dot next which is also not equals to null, then slow moves slow dot next, and fast is equals to fast takes two takes, म्हणजे fast dot next next dot next, that is the hour, and then I will be return slow. That is the my main logic of this code. Okay, then I need to print the linked list. That's why I need to there is a that's why I need to write one print function. So we can also write this function public static void. Why we are using a void? Because we don't need to return anything here. So print method name, function name is a print list, and I can pass this a parameter which is node head. Okay, then I can use for the printing a one temporary variable node temp is equals to head. Okay, while my temp which is not equals to null, then I will be print data temp dot data dot data, then temp is equals to temp dot next. That's it. That is the our print function. That is our print function. After that I'll be In last, I will be pass the null value because linked list last pointer is a null, which is located in the null. Okay, then I will be create a one main method which is public static void main string as. Then I will be pass some node which is head is equals to new node one and node head dot next new to head dot next 3 4. So this is our the node we have passed the file node. Then I'll be print some data which is the system.out.println. Okay, there will be linked list link linked list. Okay, then print list method I will call from here print list here. That's it. And last the moment I want to find the middle, then node I will create a one node which is middle is equals to find. I will call the find middle method and pass the head value. If middle which is not equals to null, then I will render middle data. Else otherwise this list is this list is empty. That's it. That is the our code. Let me run this code. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one is a null, and middle of the linked list is a 3. That's it.